let's learn how to install and run this free ColourPop Photoshop action for 20 Photoshop color filters in this super simple tutorial. First things first, let's download the action. So come to the Photoshop action page on Shutterpulse. I have left the link in the description for you. Scroll down and in the Grab Our Free bundle, type your email address and press submit. From there, you'll get a confirmation link to your email. So go to your email server or your browser, click the link, and that will take you to this page. From there, you can download the free bundle to your laptop or computer. Once downloaded, locate the zip file. So mine was downloaded to my plugins folder. So simply select the zip folder, double click, and it will open the folder. Inside, you'll have two folders, the free actions and the free presets. The presets are for Lightroom, so we want the free actions, which is for Photoshop. So make a note of where this is and then come into Photoshop. Once in Photoshop, come to File, Open. Locate the image you would like to apply this action to. So I'm going to come to my Images folder, select my image, and press Open. Next, install the action. So come to Window, Actions, click the top right icon, come to Load Actions, locate the unzip folder, so that was in my plugins folder, select it, select the actions folder, and then click the action and press open. This will now load in the Shutterpulse free actions. Expand the folder. Now you have the option to run all these actions together or select individual ones. So I recommend run all actions because the action will create all these different filters in folders and then you can toggle them on and off and see which one you like best. So make sure your image is flat, one layer. So if you open an image, it should just be a background locked layer. Make sure it's selected, select run all actions and simply click play to run the action. And there you go, it's that simple. Each of the 20 ColourPop filters have been generated in separate folders in the Layers panel. So if we close the Actions panel, what we can do now is go through these individually and see the different effects. So ColourPop Medium has a nice summery feel. Strong Matte is a lot softer. Old Film has a very Western feel to it. Faded Black and White Film, very 60s old school film feel to it. High Contrast Black and White, that really brings out the light and the dark of the photo. Shifted has a very soft feel to it. X is great for that real summer feel, lots of brightness to it. Going Under, this is a really lovely filter. Great for those kind of soft, warm summer photos. Champagne, less contrast, very light and elegant. Classic Blue, this is kind of great for beach photography. Could also try something like Purple Haze. Dual Violet has a very high contrast to it. Vintage Leak has that kind of old Polaroid photo feel to it. You've also got Glory Days, it's a very beautiful effect. Vintage Heaven, Vintage Matte, Warm Cinema. This really brings out those warm tones and there's a bit of contrast there. Intensity really brings out the contrast and the contours, as does HDR Strong. And finally, Bold Black and White HDR really brings out the black and the white contrasts and those contrasting colors. And there you have it. Massive thanks to Shutterpulse for this amazing free action. Easy to install, easy to run, and gives you 20 beautiful ColourPop filters to choose from to enhance your photography in a number of different ways. So I really hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, keep on designing, and I will see you for the next tutorial.